This is Michael Burnswig from Software Oasis. Welcome to the second video in our six-part series on AI software for business. In the previous video, we covered the basics of what AI is and why it matters. In this video, I'll provide an overview of the main types of AI software businesses should know about. So let's dive right in and talk about the types of AI software. There are several categories of software to be aware of. Machine learning is the first category. This is one of the most widely used forms of AI. Machine learning algorithms enable applications to become more accurate in predicting outcomes without being explicitly programmed for these. The algorithms learn from data. Common machine learning applications include predictive analytics, so being able to predict customer churn, sales forecasts, etc. How great would it be if your AI or CRM solution could give you an idea as to how many customers are expected to churn from within your pipeline, or provide accurate sales forecasts. This obviously can help in setting budgets and the like. Recommendation engines are another area. Product recommendations for customers, website suggestions or streaming platform suggestions would be a great example. Let's say you're surfing a website and you pick out a sweater and it suggests a specific item to go along with that. In the old days, someone may have been sitting on the back end of that website making all of those associations. Today, AI can actually do that. Or a streaming platform. Let's say you're watching Hulu or your favorite streaming platform, and the AI learns from your previous history as to what you're viewing, and obviously offers suggestions that are accurate for you. Fraud detection, identifying fraudulent transactions for banks and other organizations is a great use. Image recognition and labeling would be another example of a use for AI. Next, we have an area called deep learning. So it's nothing more than a subset of machine learning based on neural networks modeled after the human brain. So deep learning algorithms excel at processing unstructured data like images, video, text, and speech. This is obviously a very human-like quality, and being able to do this without being explicitly programmed to do this is a major advance in AI technology. Some applications for this include facial recognition, so being able to look at a massive data set or crowd, for example, and identify one individual within that crowd through facial recognition. Natural language processing, being able to understand text and speech in more human-like settings. Self-driving vehicles. Clearly, electric vehicles and other self-driving vehicles are now on the roads all around us. Medical image analysis can actually save lives, so that's another area of use. NLP, or natural language processing, is the ability of computers to analyze, understand, and generate human language. NLP powers all kinds of applications around us, including chatbots and virtual assistants for customer service through conversation, sentiment analysis, where we can use these automated systems to determine emotional tone or intent behind text or communication. So a great example would be a company, let's say Samsung, for example, has all of their social media properties being analyzed by AI, so they can actually understand the sentiment or the feedback from individuals on social media about their products and company. Document summarization. So Um, these AI algorithms can actually automatically generate summaries from large data sets. This is something that could be helpful in an area like law. For example, legal summaries from massive sets of data. So that would be another example in real life. Automatically generating these summaries is something that AI can do and do well. And translation, translating from English to Spanish, English to French, French to German. This is something AI can easily do. Computer vision would be the next main area. Computer vision enables computers to identify, process, and analyze visual data like images and videos. Some good examples of use cases would be labeling images with descriptions, uh, identifying objects within images, facial recognition, being able to match faces with identities, self-driving cars, as we talked about before, being able to analyze real-time feeds and navigation and keeping people safe on the road. Next, we have robotics. Robotics involves programming physical robots and machines to perform tasks. Robotics leverages AI capabilities like computer vision, navigation, and manipulation. Industrial robots can automate manufacturing and warehousing. Customer service robots are another area where we're seeing major major shift and transition to AI. This covers the major types of AI software businesses should be aware of. And in the next video, we'll take a look at software features. If you found these tips helpful, please help us out by sharing our channel. Be sure to like and subscribe. And whether you can share our channel with one new subscriber or help us reach 1 million new subscribers, your support is truly appreciated. Be sure to sign up for our weekly email newsletter. It's available at softwareoasis.com. You can look at the top of any of our pages. And in this newsletter, we share weekly tips with email subscribers on the latest software trends and insights.